Nikki of NikkiHaddock.com and Back to Basics. Welcome back today for the next segment in our Instant Pot series. Today we're going to be doing cilantro lime chicken drumsticks. This is a Weight Watchers friendly recipe at 6 points for 2 drumsticks. So let's head over to the kitchen and give that a try. So we're starting our cilantro lime chicken drumsticks. So the first thing we're going to do is set your Instant Pot to saute and wait for it to get hot. And we've just got about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in there. So now we're going to season our drumsticks. So we're going to add our seasonings. Just sprinkle them over, and our garlic. And then we're just going to give that a shake. Sorry, we're going to brown these in one layer. So you're going to be doing probably 4 to 5 at a time, and brown them on each side for about 3 minutes and then remove them to a plate for now. So let's get started. If you can fit more in, which I think you might be able to, that's awesome. Takes less time. Okay, we've browned our chicken and we're going to turn off the Instant Pot for now. We're going to add all of the chicken back into the Instant Pot. It doesn't have to be in a layer now, it can just be all together. And now we're going to add our chicken broth, our lime juice and zest, and the cilantro. I'm just going to mix that up a little bit, as much as you can. And we're going to put our lid on. Seal it. Make sure that this is set to seal. And we're going to hit pressure cook for 9 minutes. And once that's done, we're going to let that naturally release. So our drumsticks have finished cooking. The button for the pressure has dropped, so we're just going to flip the seal, the vent to vent. Make sure that all of the pressure is released, and then we can take the lid off. So now we're going to take our drumsticks out of the Instant Pot and put them on a baking sheet and put them in the oven to broil for about 5 to 7 minutes. You're going to want to be careful taking them out because they're going to be very tender. Okay, we'll put these under the broiler and check back with you when they're done. And here we have our completed cilantro lime chicken drumsticks. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the reminder button on your notifications so that you don't miss any future segments. As always, the recipe can be found in the description below the video. Leave us any questions or comments and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.